Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I have a fantastic Forex trading package that you can participate in within a very short time. And it's all about creating more opportunities, trading smarter and getting better results. We have just added a fantastic account to our exclusive markets copy service. It's called Standard Account 230 CA, and as you can see on the equity chart, it just goes up and up absolutely smoothly, and it's had a nice return. This account has only been running just over 4 months, and this is an unusual account in that it aims to make just over 5% every month. So you can see here, there it was almost 6%, there it was almost 9%, there it was 5%, there it was over 8%, and it is still early in June and it's already reached almost 2%. So that is the aim of this account, and why the aim is so low is that it aims at safety, low drawdowns and safety and consistency. So this is a very special account, and it is based on a standard account. Now, there are big advantages to the standard account, so let's go and have a look at that. But if you want to join this account, all you do is you go into the copy service, find this account, and you invest. It's as simple as that. And here's the account that account is based on. So this account has been running over a year. It's just had its birthday last week, and you can see this fantastic balance chart or equity chart. They're all the same actually, because there are very little, there are almost no drawdowns on this particular account. And you can see what happens. It doesn't trade on Fridays. It's a day trader, so it tends to have no open trades at the end of the day. It only trades until it makes its target for the day. Once it hits its target, it stops trading. This was a real account. It's made so far over the year 80% return. As I said, the objective is just a 5% monthly return. So this is a very extremely constant and robust trading account. Now, after looking at these great results, I must just warn you, Forex trading is dangerous, and past results do not guarantee future results. Always apply great caution when trading Forex. Now, if you then add the fact that you're going to get a 30% bonus on your money. So in other words, if you open a standard account of $1,000, the broker will add an extra 30% to your equity to allow you to trade, and your equity will go up to $1,300. Now that creates a margin of safety for yourself. You don't have to worry about all these things like margin calls and things like that, although this account is so safe that margin callers never comes into play. But this 30% bonus is a fantastic advantage. You can even increase your risk by 30% if you like when following this account. Now, I have made a video. This is in fact the video. I have attached it to this video itself, so you don't have to go and look for this video. It is part of the video that I'm just making. You can get all the details on how to claim this 30% bonus. It's not automatic. You have to follow a process to qualify for this 30% bonus. So there we are, nice and simple. All you have to do is open a standard account with exclusive markets, but don't fund it yet. I'll explain why. And why we use exclusive markets is because the trader that's trading this account is on exclusive markets. The standard account that you've just seen is that you can copy is on exclusive markets, and your account will be on exclusive markets. So there is virtually no chance of any slippage happening. That is a really big factor in copy trading. Once you've opened that account, you use the promotion section of your account, and that is shown in the video that I've just highlighted, and you claim your 30% bonus on your $1,000. You then fund the account with $1,000 or more. There's no limitation. You can go as high as you want. You can do 100,000 if you want, but you then fund your account, and then as I've shown you earlier, you invest in the standard account 230CA account that I've shown you in that illustration. And then the most beautiful action after that is you do nothing. Because your account is linked, you don't need to have a VPS or anything like that. The broker will automatically copy all the trades into your account, and you will receive the benefit of that copying service. There is a performance fee, a very small one that applies to your gains, and that is why we've pushed the earnings up on the standard account to around about 8 or 10%, so that it absorbs the performance fee. So there you have it. Please watch this video to see how you can claim your 30% bonus and enjoy other benefits of the exclusive markets copy service. So from me, Alex Employee, cheerio on this part of the video, and stick around for the previous video that I made about the 30%. Hi everybody, Alex Employee here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I have some really good news. Exclusive Markets has extended their 30% bonus for the rest of this month, for the month of April. Now this is a very important move that they've made, and I'm going to explain exactly why. But firstly, let's look at what a Forex broker bonus is. A bonus is a credit added to your account by the broker, which increases the equity that you can use for trading. So for instance, your account will go from $1,000 worth of tradable equity to $1,300 worth of tradable equity. So that's what a broker bonus is. And here is a QR code that you can use to open an account that will receive the 30% bonus. Now, why is this so important at this particular time? Well, Expert Forex has many high performance accounts on the exclusive markets copy system that you can take advantage of. And as you can see, here's a huge list of accounts on the copy system, all with very nice equity charts, very nice returns that you can take advantage of. And this bonus means quite a lot. Now let's have a look at the ways you can use this bonus. So firstly, you can use it as a safety net for your account. So if you were using, let's say, 0.1 lots for trades previously, you can just continue using 0.1 lots and treat the bonus as a safety net for margin requirements in times of a drawdown. The more aggressive traders can use the bonus to increase their gains. So if you were trading 0.01 lots for trades previously, you can now trade 0.03 lots, and that will increase your gains, but it will also obviously increase the risk that you're taking. So those are the way traders use their bonuses. So there are conditions attached to this bonus. You will need to use the Expert Forex introducing broker link to qualify for the bonus. You can only use the bonus once on a $1,000 newly funded standard account. In other words, not a cent account. The bonus is valid until December 2026, so you can use it until then. And there are certain countries that are excluded. Exclusive markets do not open accounts for the US, but there are some other countries that are also included in that exclusion. So how do you claim your 30% bonus? And here are a couple of links that you can use. As I said, that it applies to standard accounts. So there's the standard account you can use. If you want to open a cent account, you can also open a cent account using this link. If you want more information about the fantastic copy service that's available, there's a link for that. And then here is a link to describe how the copy service works, the procedures that you follow to join it and take part in the copy service. There's also the QR code that you can use to open your standard account. Now the big thing here is that when you open your account with exclusive markets, you are taken to a dashboard where you manage your trading accounts, and in that dashboard will be a section called promotion. So before you open your account, because what you do is you apply for the account, you haven't funded it yet, you go to this promotion section, and you can then, through that section, create an account that has a 30% bonus. Now, I hope you're as excited as I am, because now you can create an account that has a 30% bonus, plus you can apply it to those copy accounts that I showed you earlier in the video. And this opportunity will last for till the end of April. As always, clickable links of anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.